Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to log into your Shopify store dashboard. Follow these simple instructions to get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Navigate to the Shopify website. In the address bar, type in www.shopify.com and hit the Enter key. This will take you to the Shopify homepage. Step 3. Click on Login. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Shopify account in the designated field. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to type it accurately, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 6. Click on Login. After entering your email and password, click the Login button to access your Shopify store dashboard. Step 7. Access your dashboard. Upon successful login, you will be taken to your Shopify store dashboard, where you can manage your products, view orders, and configure settings. Step 8. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure that your email and password are correct. You can also click on the Forgot Password link to reset your password if needed. That's it! You're now logged into your Shopify store dashboard and ready to manage your online business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.